Hello guys, welcome to Miscellaneous UPSC. Recently, Director General of Drug Control has given an authorization emergency use for this drug, right? They said this will be a game changer in this battle of second wave, right? Today we will be knowing what is this drug, 2-deoxy glucose anti-COVID drug. Okay, which institute had produced it? Of course, you are finding that DRDO has produced it, and it's a limb. I mean, it's a separate institute has produced this drug. Let us see how it helps in COVID-19 battle. First, this is the news. This is the news, right? Drug Control General of India has approved this drug for emergency use. So from this you can understand that even whatever the drug, if that is for any health issue, will have to be authorized by DCGI. Okay, it is under Health Ministry. Okay, remember that, Health Ministry. This can be a question because we are facing a health crisis, right? So in every news this DCGI is appearing, so they will ask in which ministry it is there. Okay, it is under the Health Ministry. Fine. uh, DRDO has developed an anti-COVID drug named deoxyglucose. Actually, this was they have been conducting this clinical trials from 2020 itself, but they were in a process. Okay, while conducting an experiment, I mean, how much efficacy the drug shows, they have to follow clinical trials, right? Phase 1, phase 2, how they are following for vaccines. Even they have to follow for these drugs as well, because they can be uh, disastrous if they show any side effects on different people, right? Because every person is unique in his own body, right? He is different, he has own temperature, right? How metabolism, right? Okay, it has been developed by the Institute of Nuclear Medicine and Allied Sciences of a lab of DO. Friends, I'm giving a question for you. Just find how many labs are there in, I mean, associates of this DRDO, because this can be a potential question, because so many DRDO on itself cannot do all the works, right? So it is dealing with defense equipment, and on other hand, it helps in health crisis like this. It plays a crucial role in many activities, right? So find what labs are there in this DRDO. There are 5 to 6 labs. Okay, find that will be very helpful. They have produced this drug with collaborations of Reddy's. Okay, this is on this company is on Nifty, right? Nifty and Sensex, it is present on that. Nifty has 50 companies, okay, and Sensex has 30 companies. Even this can be a question in NBC. This will appear. Sensex has 30 companies, Nifty has 50 companies. Okay, means the doctor's Reddy is listed on the Nifty and Sensex. That's it. Fine. There are so many companies: Tata, Reliance, Airtel, Bharti Airtel, Aditya Birla, so many companies. Okay. Next, how does it work? 2DG comes in a powder, right? It is taken orally, like ORSC. It can be used as a sachet, mixed in a water, and we can have it orally. Fine. So it can be it is not difficult as we inculcate remdesivir, which need to be injected. We need injections for this. Only water is needed. Drug accumulates in the virus infected drug cells, means it can't be, it will not be affecting healthy cells. Okay, did you remember this cytosine storm? Did you remember? Even I have explained in remdesivir, I mean tocophex, immunosuppressant, right? What is this? What happens means our antibodies will not know whom to attack, whether to attack antigens or else anything, find any foreign body. So what they do is they attack our own organs. So in COVID-19, what is happening is, if if the disease, I mean infection goes into severe, our antibodies attack our own lungs. That is we call as cytosine. Okay, Okay, this is not related, but I'm just saying you to have a good awareness of that. Okay, fine. Means it will only be showing effect on infected cells. Okay, this is important. Thereby prevents growth by stopping viral synthesis and energy production. Do you know, friends, virus need host to replicate. Okay, it needs, so it always in a search of host. Means for COVID-19, who is the host? Human, right? That is what you have to, means without host it can't produce anything. Viruses are like this, like ant. Okay, they need hosts. Okay, foreign body to develop. The selective accumulation of drug in virally infected makes it unique. Yeah, of course it makes it unique because it is only affecting virously virally infected cells. Okay, this is how it can be a game changer in COVID-19. See how it is. This is the molecular formula of 2-deoxy, okay, D glucose. Okay, how it is infecting that cell and stopping its replication. Fine. This pic was brought from press press in, PIB. Okay, fine. What are its significance? Drug helps in the faster recovery of hospitalized patients. Further, it also reduces supplemental oxygen dependence. This is what the crisis is happening in India, right? India needs nearly 8,000 metric ton of oxygen, medical oxygen daily. That is the reason many lives are going, because we are unable to cater this demand. So you can understand how people are dying. A higher proportion of patients treated with DG2 showed negative conservation in COVID patients. So this is showing effect. That is what making this drug a unique one. Fine. And this picture was released by DRDO. So you can find that the infection. This is infection after using this drug. There was quite decline in this replication. So it is showing recovery. Fine. I hope you like this video, friends. If you like this video, share it, like it, and make your fellow aspirants understand this topic. Okay. Thank you. All the best.